let's go to the Atlantic Basin, where we've had a nice lull, but we're watching this spot that has a high potential of becoming Gabrielle. And I will say, despite the dry air, this is like the little engine that could.
Yeah,
It
no
looks
kidding.
so incredible compared to yesterday.
It's all spread out yesterday.
Exactly. So, and I just mean that it's not, strong by any means,
Right.
but if you looked at this spot yesterday on satellite, you would say this is not going to happen.
Now you can see that little
it
area, like a
really
nice
was struggling. Yeah, that consolidation.
Consolidation, exactly. Thank you.
So we're up to 80% next 7 days, 40 over the next 2. So again, everyone's in agreement that this is going to be Gabrielle. It's just a matter of time. Looking at satellite and what we're pointing out and how this looks so different over the last 24 hours, I'll just highlight the spot, the tropical wave that we're watching. You can see that all of the clouds are coming together. That's what we mean by consolidation. And we do have the dry air. So, it's finding this little pocket of moisture and then also the thunderstorms itself creating its own moisture that's just enough to fight against that dry air.
It's like in a little envelope or something, right? With the
Exactly.
dust to the north.
Just a little notch here that's
Yeah.
it's able to take advantage of it. This is a big difference.
Yeah.
Yesterday, our probability was 20 to 30%. Now we're looking at 60 to 70. So this is the importance of making sure that you stay with the forecast, because in tropics, it changes very quickly and it's always evolving. You'll also notice that we have a high potential of another tropical system towards the end of this forecast period. That would be early next week. So we'll have to continuously watch these waves as they come off the coast of Africa. Now back to this one, the one that's going to be Gabrielle. Still questions on when that is going to happen. And the quicker this storm gets its act together, and this morning it does look a lot more improved on satellite, the quicker it's going to curve to the north. And it looks like a lot of the computer models are favoring that solution. Gabrielle forming and becoming just strong enough that it stays north of the Lesser Antilles. But that's not a guarantee. We don't have a storm yet. And yesterday, the computer models were like, I'm going to back off on this. I don't think it's going to happen. And now this morning on satellite, it looks like this is going to happen. So you just have to remain vigilant and watch where everything pulls together. But the whole dynamics here of the relationship between that ridge, the trough coming off the U.S., and the strength of the storm itself, all of those things are still kind of, up in the air. We'll see how things patch together. But I think we will have Gabrielle.
I think you're right.